What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Quant on the 4-hour time frame. We will look at the daily candle close, but just want to tell you guys, some good things, some things that we need to watch out for, and let's get into the video. So of course, let's start off by clicking the little rat cat in the bottom right corner to subscribe, as we're trying to get to 2k subs by the end of this month. We've got 5 days left to get about 70 subs. Let's see if we can do it. It's cutting it close, but need around what, like, I don't even know, I can't even work out, like what, 12, 13 a day, basically 13 subs a day. Let's see if we can do that. So we know as long as you're below this red psychological level and this purple box, you're in a target to $70, but you can invalidate that. First of all, you can also come all the way up even though you're in a target downwards, because in a downtrend you need to have rallies, relief rallies, just like when we come down so aggressively here, went all the way down to $111 and then pumped to $235, more than a double, more than 100% gains, and it was still in a downtrend and we still rolled over and filled in that wick. So even though we've got crazy gains over here, doesn't mean that the trend has changed. We need to do another thing to change the trend. This was almost another 100% pump. So as long as you're below this purple box, we're still in this target. So to invalidate this target, we obviously need to reclaim this as well as the 150 psychological level. So you can see we got rejected, and basically we measured from the swing low, let's get that exactly, to the swing high up here, let's get that exact as well, and we retraced down to the 618. You had a good few scares over here, basically a good few fake outs, so to say. So if you lose this level, you're coming to the 786, and if that's lost, you're coming to the 1 at $83. But you can see we came down, got back above, came down, got back above, confirmed their support. So you basically don't want to go below 61, the 618. You can see that this wick over here was your support. You lost it, got back above, lost it, got back above, and then confirmed their support, this low wick over there. So you're confirming the 618 support, and so now we're heading back up. Where are we heading up to? So this is what we need to work out today. Let's just look at a previous low over here. So let's go with this low over here. So this wick, we need to reclaim it. So once you lost this wick over here, you've gone to the 1618 technical target, you overshot it a little bit, couldn't reach the 2, and basically with that you got above the 1 and you couldn't hold it as support. So that's why we came back to the 1618. So these are the trades here, basically. I'll go through the trades so you know. So when you reclaim the 1 here, you've basically invalidated these 2 targets. And so if you can stay above the 1, you should head to the 618 over here. Now you got way above it and then went back below and confirmed that 618 as resistance. So once you've done that, you're heading back to the 1. And if you can hold it as support, we should go back to the 618. You can see here, we closed up here and then we obviously went back down and lost the support. So this green candle closed up here on the 55. You had wicks to either side. So basically indecision, because you're at the 20 and the 55 at the same time. But you actually closed at the 55, not down here. The greens close at the top, the reds open at the top, close at the bottom. And you can see you lost the 1. So that basically validated the 1618 target again. And that's why we dropped down in 1 candle, met the target. So if you lose this 1618, we are going to continue down to the 2. Something stopped us here. It was this wick. You couldn't close below it. So that's why we started to head back up. We got a bullish engulfing candlestick here. Still risky. Still wouldn't trade any of this at the moment, because again, as long as you're below the 1 over here, there's still that risk of continuing rolling over to these 2 targets. But again, you got above the 1. And you've closed above it now over here, and you're above the 55. So I can tell you guys right now, Quant is on a journey again to the 618 minimal. So we're going to come to 122 minimal. You could literally put a trade in right now and ride this to that. I know it's not a lot, it's 3%. If you're leveraging, and obviously that's a lot better. Even 3%, come on, 3% is still good. I know everyone's like, 3% is crap, but you're only getting 9% on average in the stock market per year. So if you're getting 3% in one little trade, that's hardly going to last any time whatsoever. Low risk as well. Then, yeah, exactly. It's a nice trade to take. And of course, if you're breaking above the 618, so if we were to get to the 618, that's an area where then I would move my stop loss to entry. So if we do come back to the entry, it would stop it at in profit, stop profit. So what we would like to see from here is obviously to come back up to these highs next. That might not happen, and that's why we'd move our stop loss to entry and take around half profits over here and just let it do its thing. If we're going to ride up to here, that'd be amazing, and that's where I'd take complete profits. And in total, that would be a trade of around almost 7%. So that's Quant going forward. Of course, as you know, guys, lose the one again, and we're going to continue rolling over. But what we've seen at the moment is positive as we are holding the 618. And so actually you should even come back all the way to the zero at 160, okay? As long as you stay above the 618, we should actually go through all these fib levels eventually and head to the high where we should come back to, and you can see that would be a large double bottom. So if you're enjoying this video, go ahead, smash the thumbs up button and click the cat in the bottom right corner to subscribe, as we're trying to grow the channel to 2k subs within the next 5 days before this monthly close. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1 month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2 hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6 hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6 hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.